Do any of you guys suffer from dry eye and or blepharitis, which is lid inflammation? Just kidding, this isn't an advertisement. It is a helpful, educational, short clip. This is something that helped me on my eye pain journey. Everybody has unique and individual needs, so you need to take those things up with your doctor specifically. What are these? These are socks with rice in them. Sock-a-doodle-doos. You know, rice. Has anyone ever told you to put warm compresses on your eyes? Yes, me too. What does that mean? If you take a warm washcloth and put it on your eyes, it doesn't stay warm for long enough. So a better plan is to take some socks, preferably really long so you can tie a knot in them, and put a bunch of rice inside, like a cup in each, and then you put them in the microwave for 60 seconds, you take them out, you wait till they stop steaming off the top, and then you put them on your eyes. I'm not going to do that because I have makeup on right now. Please close your eyes before you put these on, in case you needed me to tell you that. I gotta give better instructions. After you take these out of the microwave, keep your eyes closed, put them on over your closed lids when it's not too hot. You might feel them tingling a little bit. That means it's working. I've been told by my doctor you can leave these on for about 15 minutes. It should stay warm for pretty long, so leave them on until it feels good for you. We don't want to burn our eyes. That's what we don't want to do. What we do want to do is warm the meibomian gland. Look in a mirror, and if you can see the little lines, they're like vertical lines on the inside of your lid, those are the meibomian gland ducts, and they secrete oil lubrication solution other than your water-based tears, and so they keep a nice film over the eye to prevent it from drying out. So if you have bad dry eye, warm compresses actually helps. And if you have blepharitis, which is inflammation of the lids, here or both, they can feel really puffy. They can look like you have worse bags under your eyes in the morning. Sometimes it's because those glands get plugged or clogged, and you'd think that if it's lid inflammation, that reducing the inflammation would mean that you want to put something cold on there, but actually for your eyes it's the opposite. So I thought that was pretty interesting when I learned that. But not too hot, that will harm you, and that's my little tip of the day. But I just wanted to share that with you. My eyes have gotten progressively more dry throughout the years with wearing contacts, being working in a hospital where the air is extra dry. If you work in an airport or a mall, those are the top 3 places where the air is the most dry and sucks out the moisture. So your eyes can just feel uncomfortable at the end of the day. But again, I am a doctor, I'm not your doctor. So if you have questions, see your doctor, please. Do not take this as your actual medical treatment type of advice. But maybe it will help. But try it out. Hopefully it works for you. It's helped me a lot, so I wanted to pass it along. Put the socks on the eyes. La 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 la.